How to do keyword clustering in Semrush. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to do so in two different methods. The pro one, which is going to be the main one that is actually intentional for keyword clustering, and also there's the other side one that you can just use the keyword magic tool in order to do keyword clustering anyway. But first, if you're just starting out with Semrush, I suggest that you go down to the description, open up the link and start from there because you end up getting 14-day pro trial instead of the usual 7. So make sure you check out the link in the description and get started from there. So once you actually create your account and start with Semrush, the main way to do keyword clustering is by using the if you go to the SEO tab on the left side here, just hover over it, you should be able to find the keyword strategy builder. This is going to be where you end up doing the default clustering option for Semrush. So if you click on that, it's going to ask you to add some seed keywords. So you're just going to go ahead and give out different ideas about the same kind of topic. So just, make sure you add different keywords here and there. And it's just going to pretty much do all the work for you. Now it is going to be a lot heavy on the use of AI, so it's really just going to make your life a lot easier. So like I said, for example, here I just added ergonomic office chairs. Second one is going to be best chairs for back pain. Try not to repeat yourself too much because you want to get, the best of different results, basically. So you're going to have plenty of options to choose from once it's actually done. And once you actually add your seed keywords, you simply just want to hit create and watch the magic happen. Now, another way that you can actually get keyword clustering is by using the keyword magic tool. This is going to be more beneficial if you're using a free trial or you're just, on the free account. This is going to work a lot easier for you. You can just go to any keyword any keyword in here, and then I'm just going to show you exactly how to cluster up that keyword. So simply just add your keyword and hit search. Alright, so once you actually search up a keyword, you're going to have all of these different keywords, and obviously you're going to be using these filters to, filter the KD, volume, and so on. But on top of that, you can also do clusters here because you are going to have this table here, as you can see, the left side table. You're going to have these different keywords that you can just cluster up using. You have best, back, top. So let's say we want ergonomic chairs for back pain or so on. We can just click on back, and this is just going to filter out or cluster up all these keywords about back. So as you can see here, you can just see all of them and basically filter out between them using this table right here, which is going to help us with the clusters. If we click on best, all the keywords now are just going to be about anything that says best in it. But again, not because it shows up for you, that means it's good. You still need to do the rest of your SEO research, meaning good KD, volume, and so on. But yeah, these are two different ways that you can do keyword clusters using Semrush. So hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.